Hello everyone, this is Emily Stevens, the registered dietitian, bringing you back another game day recipe. So today we're gonna make a healthier version of chicken nuggets. It's gonna be with the air fryer. So right now our chicken is cubed. I cut off pretty much most of the fat, and then it is marinating in half a cup of dill pickle juice and 1 cup of milk. So you at least want it to let it marinate for around 30 minutes. Then we'll whisk 2 eggs, pour that in, and then we'll mix it all up. Then over here, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So we're gonna have 2 cups of flour right here. So we'll put that in there. And then we have 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. And then for our spices, we have 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, and then 3 teaspoons of paprika as well. Mix that all up. So this is gonna be the coating for our chicken. All right, once that is all mixed, you can go ahead and put, I would say, about half of the chicken in. Make sure it's all covered with our flour and spices. And while that's going on, we have our air fryer running at 375 degrees. And then one by one, we're gonna put in our chicken nuggets. So after about 8 to 10 minutes, we have our crispy chicken nuggets. Oh, those look nice and brown. Thank you for following along with me this week for our game day recipes. I hope you all can incorporate these dishes into your game day menu, and I hope these recipes help you feel whole.